Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here, and welcome to Plane Time Vim Drones AM32 ESC edition. What I've got here from my friend Huibin at Vim Drones is 50 amp ESCs. So what am I going to do with these? This is going to be for my new build, which you'll see in another video. I'm building the Dancing Wings Hobby QA418 Balsa VTOL. And with the Balsa VTOL, because it's a VTOL, it will have 4 ESCs and 4 motors, 1 at each end and 2 of these booms. So what I need to do is basically put in here an ESC and a motor. Well, I could use standard ESCs, PWM, EFCs. I've done that many times before. But this time, I want to go forward with my never-ending mission to move everything to CAN bus. And in this case, what we've got here is this. And this is a CAN bus ESC, and on top of that, it runs AM32, the replacement for BL Heli that many of you may have used before. Now what I like so many things about this little design. Apart from the fact that it's CAN bus, and there's basically 3 wires that connect here. I'll give you a zoomed in picture to look at that connect to CAN bus. It's a tiny little ESC, but does 50 amps and up to 80 amps peak. So it's perfect for the VTOL usage that we're going to have here. Basically, it'll need 3 wires for the motors coming off here, 2 wires for power coming off here. I'll show you the diagram, and 3 wires for the CAN connection. So the way that that's going to work on here is this tiny little ESC will actually mount inside the boom here, and then the wires will go through the boom and back to the flight controller, which will be in the center of the plane. It's tiny and it significantly reduces the amount of wires, which I love it for so many different reasons. So stay tuned. There'll be more on this one as I do some soldering and run the wiring through the wing and back to the fuselage and build out the Dancing Wings QA418 with the Vim Drones 50 amp AM32 CAN bus ESC. Tim the Plane Man, over and out.